Hey guys, how's it going? So first thing first, alcohol. I was using the 91%, but it's totally up to you. So just clean up your headlights, wipe them down. Make sure not a single dust on it. Just keep doing it. And make sure your corner is clean as well. Slow down. Take a look at it. It's hella dirty. So what we have here is the Lamin-X vinyl for my E92 M3. I think they float up for a little while. So what you have to do is reflow them again. So that way you can go with better angle and stuff. And then float it. And then hold it in your hands for like 4 seconds, something like that. And take a look at it. There you go. There you have it. And then you gotta practice for a little bit, where you gotta apply them, get some ideas, something like that. I strongly recommend you guys start it from the corner. And the next step is spray some water, just a little bit. Just a little bit of water, alright? Don't spray too much. So we gotta apply the vinyl. So we gotta start it from the top corner first. Take your time, there's no rush at all. So once you got the corner correctly, you can apply the rest. Just like that. Nice and slow, there's no rush at all. You can do it fast, trust me. Gotta be really slow. So once you got that on, you have to apply water. Remember, it is water. Don't ever apply wax, cleaner, something like that. And then you have to use your tool. It comes with it. You have to squeeze them up. I personally started from the middle. I go up, down, left to right, right to left. Make sure they line up perfectly. So why spraying water on the vinyl? Because the water protects the surface of the vinyl. So that way you don't mess it up. From the bottom to the top, like so. Nice and slow, remember. Don't rush, alright? Well, if you saw air bubbles like this, you can just simply use your finger, press it down, and hold it for like 4 seconds. Then they'll be gone. Alright, so you saw a bubble. You gotta hold it down, press it for like 4 seconds. Just hold it and press it. Right here, just hold it, press it. There you go. Hold it, press it. Right here is a little tricky. You have to push them in with the tool that they gave you, like so. And finally, you have to trim it So lastly, we gotta dry it out with your heat gun. So remember, don't get too close, otherwise you gotta burn it. Always recommend level 1, so that way everything's like under control. You can control your temperature and stuff. And be sure moving around, so that way you don't burn them.